Pump.fun. Let's be real, everyone knows about Pump.fun, and if you've been around, you also know that 90% of the coins here are nothing but money pits. But what if I told you there's a way to cut through the noise, dodge the junk, and actually spot the hidden gems? Today I'm going to show you exactly how to use the GMGN's filtering options to weed out the trash and uncover the real opportunities. Let's turn the chaos into calculated moves. Pump.fun coins can be seen in many decks, and each of their filters work essentially the same. We are using GMGN today. If you are new and want to get into the game, I have a link for you to join right away with no wait down below. Use code Solana Memecoins to get instant access. Once you're in, find the Pump.fun coins. Here we go to meme. At the top, this will open the most common 3 columns for Pump.fun coins. New creations are those that are brand new, fresh off the pump servers. Then we have completing. These are those that are making their way towards bonding. Lastly, we have completed. These are those that have hit the bonding curve and migrated to Radium, making them official coins. Each of these columns will have a lot of trash coins. We want to get rid of those. And using the filters for each column will do just that. Before we even get into filtering, let's lay down some ground rules. First off, we're only looking at coins that have at least one social link. Why? Because if a dev couldn't even be bothered to attach an X, Telegram, or anything at all, that's a huge red flag. This isn't a guarantee the project is solid, but it's a bare minimum sign that someone put in some effort. Of course, we still have to do our own digging. This is just step 1. And let's be clear, this isn't financial advice, just a way to help the community navigate the wild world of crypto a little smarter. Alright, let's dial in our filters and get ready to catch some plays. First things first, set at least one social link. Like we already discussed, if a coin doesn't have that, it's already a no-go. Next, we're locking in a minimum market cap of $9,000 and a max of $24,000, plus a max age of 30 minutes. In this category, things move fast. We need to be watching like hawks, tracking socials for any major hype drops. This is where we find the gems early, because in meme coins, being early on a runner can mean insane profits. Next, things are really going to get spicy. Filtering the completing section is where we can find the strong plays that have the best potential to blow up. Again, starting with at least one social, then set our market cap from 24,000 to 65,000. This time we want at least 35 holders. Less than that can point to huge wallets pumping the coin waiting to dump. To round this section off, set a maximum age to 65 minutes. Coins longer than this can run, though if they sat over an hour, they could sit for longer. With Pump.fun coins, it's all about what's hot in the market now. Always be watching the current meta and take that into account. At the end, we will scan to put these filters to the test. Alright, let's dive into the final section. Completed. The filtering here is pretty similar. We're still requiring at least one social, but now we're looking at a minimum market cap of $75,000 and a maximum age of 1,440 minutes, that's 24 hours. Why these numbers? This sweet spot lets us track coins that have made it to Radium and still have gas left in the tank. That $75,000 market cap acts as a key signal. Some of these projects may have slipped below the psychological $100,000 threshold, but with the right narrative, they could come roaring back. Trading theory is vast and complex. If you would like a video going into a few theories, like psychological thresholds and others, drop a comment below. Alright, we have the filters. Now let's see what they produce. Scanning and researching can be a long and important process. These filters won't help you skip the research, but will help you limit wasted time looking at coins that go nowhere. For this example, let's look into the completing section. With our filters cutting out the majority of coins sitting here for more than an hour, we see only a few that are viable. Let's check out Moon. Opening the social, this looks to be a baby monkey on TikTok with over 400,000 followers. Let's open the chart. Right off, it looks strong, having recovered from previous dip. Looking at the holders, making sure not a ton of red insider wallets, and looking over the stats for any immediate red flags. This looks to have potential, of course. As always, you have to do your own research, though a coin like Moon may be worth spending the time researching. If you're wondering where to start, check out my video on doing your own research. I break down the basics of what to look for when reviewing potential buys.